You may be wondering why this video opens with music instead of a sales pitch. Here's why. Because real engineering has a pulse. It runs smooth when the load hits. It responds with authority. And it never sounds synthetic. Anyone can generate noise. We design and sell harmony. We're Iron Core. We provide heavy-duty transformer-based power inverters with massive surge capacity, long life and real-world industrial engineering. Raw power, proven durability, overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent.
Starts to crash. Paper-thin promises, the winds begin to lash. Storm clouds roll in, hear the breakers cry. When the weak go silent, we don't ask why.
Because of its advanced toroidal transformer design, our Iron Core inverters offer a much longer and far safer service life. Our 10 kW model offers a massive 30,000 watt surge capacity. And all of our low-frequency inverters provide galvanic isolation to protect your appliances from the damage that can be caused by inferior high-frequency designs. These advantages are derived from a 5th-generation military-grade, high-reliability form factor and advanced high-efficiency MPPT charge controller technology, heavy-duty MOSFETs with oversized heat sinks, wave-soldered surface mount components throughout, and most importantly, massive toroidal iron core copper wound output transformers for a much higher surge capacity.
Cheap designs crumble under the load. Plastic promises overload. Forged in